36 divided by 18 divided by 6 divided by 3. What is the value for this expression? So first we will see the incorrect solution for this expression. So 36 divided by 18, which is 2, then 3 2s are 6, means divide first this one then this one. So here 2 will come, here also 2 will come. So 2 divided by 2, which is 1. But this is the incorrect solution. So let's see the correct solution for this expression. Write the equation 36 divided by 18 divided by 6 divided by 3. Now here you know the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Here you have to remember this multiplication division both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here in this you can see only division is there. More than one division is there, therefore we go from left to right. First we'll solve this one. So here 2 will come, divide by 6 divided by 3. Now we can write this as 2 by 6 divided by 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 1 by 3 divided by 3. So now KCF rule, which is keep change flip. Keep the first fraction as it is, change this into multiplication and flip this one. So 1 by 9 is the correct value for this expression.